Welcome to the Station Management System Quick Start Guide. To install the script, you have to subscribe to it in the Steam Workshop. After that, you can load it into a programmable block by pressing the Edit button, then the button on the right, Browse Scripts, and here select the script, and copy it into the editor. Check code, and then OK. Now the script runs. Now you can install the terminals. These consist of a normal LCD and a control panel, which is mounted on the right side. This serves as a function keys. To configure the terminal, simply add to the name, bracket open, SMS, comma, terminal, colon, X1, bracket close. X1 is a unique ID, it should exist only once on the grid. Setting up the control panel is simple. To do this, we need to address the programmable block. A unique name is helpful here. Now we set the programmable block for each button. Select Execute, and enter the ID followed by a colon and the number of the button. Now you can navigate through the menu and have a look at different infos. Components. Energy. You can change the color. To set up the info LCD, just add the name with bracket open, SMS, comma, info LCD, bracket closed. It takes a few seconds for the new LCD to be included. To define what is displayed on the LCD, write commands into the custom data of the LCD. For example, batteries. To expand the display to the LCD below, this LCD must be connected to the first one. To do this, add the name of the second LCD with bracket open, SMS, comma, link LCD, bracket close. After a few seconds the two LCD are connected. Several can be connected on top of each other. Connecting to the left and right is not possible. As you can see, the text size is automatically adjusted. Here we can see all batteries that exist on the whole grid, including all connected ones. With options, which are to be written in round brackets, we can influence the display. For example, with sort, the batteries will be sorted by name. We can also group the batteries by grids. For this we have the option grid name. The individual options must be separated by commas. Then we see the individual grids with their batteries, separated with a line. if only the batteries from the main grid are important to us. We can use the main grid option. The info can be displayed in 4 different ways. The option for this is called Style. Default is 2, if the option is omitted. The higher the number, the more extensive the information that is displayed. The script always tries to adjust the display so that all information is clearly visible. With number 3 and 4. Sometimes 2 or even 3 lines per block can be displayed. You can also use filters to specify which items are displayed. Filter is written in square brackets directly after the command. Upper and lower case is important here. You can use different filters, separated by comma. For all items, use the multiplication sign wildcard. If you don't want to have an item, put a minus in front of it. To hide the title line, you can use the option No Title. If you want to omit the lines, use the option No Line. With linked LCD, the color is adjusted to the first for all. The script can split the display into up to 4 columns for almost all commands. Use it to get a better overview. The option is call, followed by a number, between 1 and 4. With this syntax, all other commands can be used, for example, assemblers. Refineries. Reactors. For detailed information, see the guide in the Steam Workshop. There is one in English. and one in German. They are both linked in the video description. Three other commands are oxygen, hydrogen, and cargo. Currently the total capacity is displayed, but we can use the already known options, grid name, and main grid, as well as style, and call, to customize the display according to our wishes. Special feature of cargo, here we can display the capacity by type of blocks. For this we use the option all. The filter can be set in exactly the same way here. For example, to show only the cargo capacity of cargo container and connectors. If we enter as filter capital C, small o, and small n, then all block types containing the filter will be displayed, all others will not. Please note, upper and lower case is important here. You can see that the lines are displayed too large here. It is also possible to preset a fixed number of lines. To do this, write in the name of the LCD after info LCD, comma, lines, colon, and then the number of the desired number. I recommend to predefine the number of lines whenever possible, because dynamic adjustment often consumes more computing time and is somewhat slower. We now come to the energy command. If we enter it alone, it shows us a complete overview of all power generators and almost all power consumers. With energy, underlined, P. Only the power generators are displayed, with different lines according to their characteristics, whether they can generate, store, or only emit power. Also here the options grid name, main grid, call, and style can be used. Finally, the inventory command. To display the entire inventory, the option, all, is required. This will display everything, grouped by the type of items, ores, ingots, etc. Instead of all, you can specify one of the option on the left. To specify which items are displayed, multiple options are possible. Let's take component for example. Also the options, grid name, main grid, style, can be used here. With the option, Sort, Space, Amount, the components can also be sorted. For a better overview of the quantity, use the option, Fill Bar. The maximum values for each item are defined in the script and can be changed there. To display items whose amount is 0, additionally specify the option, 0. Using the option, Call, is also possible here. To create your own view, use the option, Table, so it is also possible to display the mass and the volume. You can also sort by mass or volume. All fields that can be specified are shown on the left. The order plays an important role. The field, Assembly, can only be used in connection with my Inventory Manager script, PIM. Because this field is not managed by SMS. This was the short tutorial for my script SMS. I did not want to inflate the video so much and therefore could not explain every function in detail. For more detailed info, please check out the guide in the Steam workshop. Thanks for watching.